Dear friends, we warmly wish you a happy new year 2025. May this year bring you new discoveries, amazing journeys, and unforgettable emotions. We are delighted to be a part of your journey, inspiring your adventures and helping turn your dreams of distant lands and unique experiences into reality. In the coming year, our community will share countless happy moments tied to travel and exploration. Thank you for trusting us with your precious memories.
Happy New Year's 2025. Feel the pulse, we're so alive. Get TVL coin in your hand. Join the rhythm, understand. Journey far on endless plains. Every moment joy remains. Values not in gold or fame. In the smiles we reclaim. On the dance floor we unite.
May 2025 be filled with warmth, joy, and bright horizons. With love, the Travel Value of Life team.